We're going sailing. It's going to be a light air day again today, but at least we'll be out on the water. Come on along, join us on the ride.
Apparently Anna got some pretty significant role, and it's an operetta. So she said it's a new. Okay there, Gail? Yep. How's your hip? My hip is okay. It's the back of my legs and my foot.
Busy day today for Labor Day. A little on the chilly side, but to be expected. It's in September already.
Yeah, sorry, Kate. I thought you said you were bringing up a chair.
Oh.
That's where they do the Door County Triathlon swimming.
Swim.
And that's where they have like all the stop. Rest stop 2, I would send this to you. Rest stop 2 is Bailey's Harbor Recreational Park. Rest stop 3, Cave Point Park. Rest stop 4 is like the Coast Guard channel.
And set. Or last year, 2 years ago, he was in a nursing home. For rehab, he had something wrong with, I think, his legs. So, Katie, did you have
In here, but we just had an incident here. We got pulled over by the game wardens checking our registration. No tickets or citations of any kind were issued, although Gail thinks we're in violation of the rules.
You are.
All right,
Katie thought they were cute guys.
they were. Only one single.
We agree.
Only one single. One of them had a wedding ring on.
Oh.
Only one single guy.
Oh. Nope.
All right. Bill, you want a sandwich?
First in Appleton.
Because they're a lot of times loud.
Oh, no.
Katie's abandoning us as we're drifting away.
Want me to put this down?
I will.
Get up, one falls. Get up again, the other falls.
Why don't you let me do it?
Oh yeah, I do too. Greatest, I mean, you exercise every muscle in your body doing that. Oh, do they have timed openings on that bridge up in Sturgeon?
We're gonna wait until there's a stack of them, but otherwise they just kind of wait until the traffic goes light.
These two old stairs behind you. These are kind of nice little whatever wave. What? these jet skis are crowding us, Donka.
Look at the weeds. Look, Uncle.
Oh yeah, no wind at all.
I can take that.
Stern or a mid?
Stern.
Okay. They line up in front of the step there. They were over there first.